Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. Libras, wishing you all a very happy Valentine's Day. Hope you are celebrating it with your friends and family, guys, your loved ones especially. And these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. So let's see what are the cards. We have Page of Cups in reverse, Nine of Swords in reverse, and the Fool. So, in your situation, guys, Libras, you are maybe rushing towards something, some decisions in your life, something without deep thought. So, that may end you in some kind of difficulties, give you some difficulties. So you need to be really clear about what you need to do, guys. Think about your decisions with clarity before you step into that. So some rash, immature decisions are reasons for trouble today in your situation, guys. And there are certain obstacles, maybe in your career, or it may be in this relationship. Some troubles, quarrels, or some arguments are there in this situation. Maybe this person you love, they are too attached or they are too possessive of you. That may be the reason um, they are fighting with you on certain things, or they are arguing with you on certain things, but they have love towards you, guys. So that love is the reason for these fights. So they are wishing that you do things in a particular way, but you are not accepting that. That may be the reason for troubles in your situation, in your relationship. And in your career, maybe you may see some delays, some kind of suspensions, project suspensions. Some things are not going as expected. So, some thoughtless decisions are also the reason for the mistakes that have happened in your situation, guys. Libras. So, you need to be really careful, Libras. Maybe for some of you, it may be some habits. So, some addictions are there, some bad habits, bad behavior. So you need to keep a check on that, guys, if you are having these addictions, uncontrollable addictions, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Two of Cups in reverse. Though this card is in reverse, guys, it just means you are moving towards a deep positive commitment in love. So this person you love is coming towards you, and this may be a twin flame or a soulmate connection, guys. So you share a great understanding, compatibility with this person, and you are taking that next step in this connection, maybe marriage or engagement with this person, guys. Libras. So that is what I see with this card, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career. So it is Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So this is the energy we saw with the previous card, some kind of delays or some kind of what to say, obstacles in your situation, guys. So whatever uh, choices you had faith on, you would have trusted certain things to unfold in a positive way, but that has not happened in your career, guys. So that may be the reason for some troubles in your situation, Libras. So that is the reading, guys, Libras. I have a Valentine's Day special pick a card love reading. coming up. If you are interested to watch that, you can watch that reading, guys. Stay tuned for that, Libras. For your pick a card love reading, guys, I have two cards. Today is Valentine's special. So each card comes with a special guidance for you, what you need to do today, guys. So you can close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading will resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, guys. So let's start after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So what do we have here? We have breathe. This is your card for today, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So this card comes with a special guidance, and that guidance is to have patience today, wait and take everything slowly. So this is a time patience is called for in everything, guys. So you need not hurry, you need not be hasty about any decision or about anything. Heart needs time to open, take a breath, and let nature take its own course. So you need to wait. You need to give up all that worries and stress, whatever you have in your situation, release all that tension you have, and just enjoy this present moment. Waiting won't prove difficult, guys. In your heart of hearts, you will know what is right, but your ego will not know, will resist that learning. So you have to be really patient. That is what this card calls for. Just breathe and just be. And patience is going to pay off in more meaningful ways than ever, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So if you are rushing to make some important decisions, this may not be the time for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. We have aqua or a quartz. That is your card for today. So this card just means that connecting to that infinite potential that we have in ourselves and knowing the purpose of our life. So we meet so many people, but in our life we often find our soulmate somehow, and we land up together in unexpected ways, guys. So friends and family or people we like, we meet in the most unexpected places and in an unexpected way, and love makes itself known just as you are beginning to doubt whether it is really there for you, guys. So this crystal spirit, it comes with a special message, guys. You need to be childlike with that wonder and believe in magic. If you do that, if you believe in magic and believe in the power of love, no matter how dark your situation is, love will find you for sure, guys. And you are not forgotten. So love is everywhere, and even in the darkest hour, it is right there, right in front of you. So you just need to let it find you. That is what is the necessary thing, guys. So that is the reading, guys. So this person you love, or a friend or a family whom you are missing, is going to come towards you this Valentine's Day, guys. That is what I see with this card, with this crystal spirit. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.